Hi you guys, good morning. I completely forgot, actually it's nighttime right now, but for you when you're watching this, you're gonna be watching me like eat throughout the day, starting in the morning, but I forgot to do an intro for you guys because I can't think properly. So here I am at 7 at night coming back to film the intro. So you're about to watch a what I eat in a day video. My diet's not perfect, so no negative comments, okay? Because I don't care. I do me, I live my life my way, I like to enjoy my food, hello. But this is much better than I used to eat and it is helping me lose weight. It's pretty healthy, but everything's definitely like not perfect or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, I love you. If this is bringing you to, I can't even talk today, girl, get your life. If this is bringing you to my channel, please subscribe, I would appreciate it so much. And if you want to know like what's on my face, makeup details and all that, you can follow me on Instagram because I have like the details there. And yeah, let's get into the video. All right, first meal of the morning, I'm making a healthy, macro-friendly breakfast sandwich. So I'm gonna have one of these Thomas Light multi-grain breakfast sandwiches. I'm gonna have one serving of this non-fat provolone cheese, which is only 70 calories and there's no fat. I'm going to crack one egg on it. And then I have a tiny, tiny bit of avocado left here from yesterday, which is of course healthy fats, but you don't wanna overdo it. So I'm gonna put like one little scoop on there. And then I'm also gonna have one piece of turkey bacon. This is the Essential Everyday Premium from Albertsons with only 40 calories and a lot of protein actually. And then I'm gonna have a few blackberries in like an hour before I go to the gym. So that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. If you guys were wondering what my little guy is eating, he's just having some fruit right now. Yes, I just cleaned his high chair. Don't worry, the fruit is on a sanitary place. Can you say hi to everyone? We're filming an eating video. Can you say hi? Say, I love you, mama. He's like, girl, no, I want my breakfast. So I'm also gonna give Christian some orange juice and some blueberries and strawberries, maybe a yogurt. If anyone was interested what I feed my kid. He also really likes these organic fruit friends like apple, strawberry, banana, which I know are good for him as well. I'm gonna get out my cold water bottle because I'm going to the gym at 11 a.m. I'm about to do a Zumba class. About to say super dedicated today on my eating and super dedicated on my workouts. Just got back from the gym. I'm about to make my lunch and I'm actually feeding my son as well. I'm heating up his lunch. Can you say what's up, dude? Say what's up. Sup.
Elmo.
Elmo. You're so cute. Elmo and Cookie Monster. So I'm gonna make some healthy tacos. I have some fat-free Mexican 4 cheese flavor, which I'm gonna use 1/4 cup. And then I have the Genio ground turkey. Try and get you guys in the light. So this is really good. This is 4 servings. So I'm gonna make it all and then I'm gonna separate it out for four different portions throughout the week. And I'm gonna season my ground turkey with the Flavor God garlic seasoning and also a little bit of Mrs. Dash because that tastes really good. And then I am gonna have only one mission tortilla with only 3 carbs. This time I'm gonna have my tacos also with a little bit of lettuce. And I just made Christian some hot dogs with some ketchup and he really loves hot dogs. And then also, yeah, baby. And then also I'm gonna give him his children's multivitamin gummies, which he loves. And then sometimes he also has a Danimals like yogurt pack, which he really likes. Are you ready for your food? Can you tell him? I love my little guy. All right, so yeah, let's get cooking. I only added a tiny bit of olive oil to the pan before I started cooking. It is the organic extra virgin olive oil. And then I threw my ground turkey in and I added a little bit of my seasoning. So it's just gonna take a minute for that to cook up. I'm gonna take a little bit of cheese and make my 2 like taco shells. Change my mind, I'm gonna have these instead because it's only 130 calories for 2 and my lunch is usually around 350 calories. So it'll work out fine. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese and lettuce and wait for the ground turkey to be finished. And guys, now I'm going for my afternoon workout. So what I do is I mix 1 scoop of Super HD by Cellucor with a little bit of C4, which is their pre-workout. This is fruit punch and this one here is strawberry lemonade. I am obsessed with these, you guys. If you're looking for some good supplements or some pre-workout or anything, Cellucor makes so much stuff. Like, they have so many products, and these actually taste really good. I was talking on my Snapchat the other day about a pre-workout that I tried, and the flavor was disgusting. And then I got the fruit punch, and I'm loving it. It is a little strong, so I just put not that much water, so I can just down it quickly, and then I mix them all up together. I'm just gonna be like downing this, but I love these, you guys. I can definitely find a discount for you online, and I'll list all their products below. They're really, really great for the price. You actually get like a ton of product in here, and I've just been using their products for a few months now at this point, and I've also been following them on Instagram. So if you need a good pre-workout and like a weight loss supplement, definitely check these out, and I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below for you guys. P.S. The Super HD, just mixed with water, tastes amazing. Like, you can just drink it down. Like, it literally tastes so good. Like, I want to have this as like a drink like throughout the day just because it tastes good, but I can't because I'll be so hyper. Like, only take 1 or 2 scoops a day, but it really tastes really good, and I love it. Like, the fruit punch flavor, yes. So I have to do this last part voiceover status. Sorry, you guys, my clip got messed up, but these are the kale chips that I had later on in the day for my snack. I really like these. The plain ones to me are kind of like not tasty at all, so I like to get the barbecue ones. You guys can find them at Target. And this is what I had for dinner. I just had some chicken along with my Flavor God seasoning with pineapple and then regular green beans, and it was amazing. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, you can click on the screen right now and it will take you to my new meal prep video where I walk you through every single step of how to meal prep throughout the week. And it's meal prep for weight loss, and it's very, very budget friendly, so you'll definitely be able to afford the groceries. So just go ahead and click on the screen right now and it will take you to that video, and don't forget to subscribe.